So, all right, guys, let's move on. Okay. So next, today we're going to cover visual text comprehension, close, and open-ended comprehension. Okay. We have done a lot of composition lately. This past few weeks, a lot of composition, right, that we've done. So today we're covering visual text and comprehension close. All right. Hold on. Wait. Yeah. Hello, Elizabeth. Elizabeth. Where'd she go? See, I think wrong place. That's why. So her name is gone now. Okay, fine. I think she got internet connection problem. Never mind. Okay, I'm going to move on to the visual text now. Okay, if you look at the visual text, it's quite small over here. And if you've tried it, if you've tried it, it's not too difficult. I don't know if you can see from here. So I changed my name. Oh, Elliot. I see. Okay, can. Wait. Okay, Elliot. I will change later. Okay? Okay. I will sure. Wait. Wait a minute. I'm not sure if you can see from there. I need to get out. Okay, I just need to open up only for this particular visual text, because the visual text is very small and I don't know if you can see, right? So if you can't see, then it's difficult to do. So I blast it bigger for you on Word document. The problem is if I go to Word document, right? Perez is here. If I go to Word document and then I go back into the PowerPoint slides, I find it difficult to get out. So only for this section, is it okay? You don't mind me? I will just go through the slides normally, not through slide projection. Okay, Ken? Just for this particular exercise. Okay, let's go. So 5:40 already. So we look at the question. We look at the text first. All right. Standard first aid and AED awareness course, right? So you've got a registration link. Nowadays, the registration link mostly will be QR code. So you have to get yourself familiar with this. Reason is very simple. PSLE, a lot of things are current. So they may have registration link by using QR code. So you need to know what's it for. Usually, it's for your registration. That's it. Just remember that. Okay, your teacher will also go through this with you. So what is this first aid and AED course? So standard first aid course is we need teachers in primary schools especially, right, or preschool, right, they need to go through this course, all right, because emergencies happen and therefore it can be life-threatening. It can be choking, for example, choking. Like some teachers are in canteen duty, right? Some children may choke. So what can they do? So they need to be trained, right? AED course also is this first aid and AED course comes together. On CPR, they teach how to do CPR, right? Your coach, if you do swim safer, right? Or coach for soccer coach, for example, especially PE teachers, PE teachers must have first aid certification, because you're in the open, so anything can happen to you. So they have to give you the treatment on the spot, right? So this is a very, very important course. Normal workers also will need this for some jobs, but not all jobs. Is it okay? Can? So just to explain to you what is first aid and AED awareness course. Okay, so if you look at the text, right, given to you, if you have done it, okay, it looks like that. Be ready to help 4 hours standard first aid and AED awareness course, including theory and practical. So the theory course and the practical course, right, you must pass both. You must pass both, then you can get the certification. You can't just do the theory, all right? I know this because every 2 years I take, okay? Certificate of participation will be awarded after the course. For Singapore citizens or PR above 14 years old and above. Was so good, right? Last time, there's an age limit cap. Nowadays, 14 years old can take. Quite a number of things nowadays, teenagers can take. Wait, used to be, like, for example, used to be in the past, right? They're not allowed. So now they do. Who's the person who came in? I'm writing down your name. Don't mind me. Participants. Okay, Boon Shen. I'm not going out first, right? Because I write down your name first. Maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes before we end, then I will update your attendance, okay? Don't mind me. Fully subsidized course, right? For more information, please approach our CC staff or volunteers, right? Then what's the date? 20. Okay, you notice the date. When you're looking at a date, please be careful. You see, we're looking at September, right? We're looking at September. October, right? September, October, November, December. And we're looking at Sundays. Can clear or not? We're not looking at weekly, but we're looking at monthly. So it's only per month. And you notice something is all on Sundays. Keep that in mind, please. Okay. Then time is 2 to 6. Venue is 0305 classroom, Nee East Community Club. Okay, so the course is limited to 100 participants on first come, first serve basis. All right, so I think generally you would understand the whole VT here. It's quite straightforward, right? So let's do the questions now. Okay, now I can open up. So just now, just let you see first, right? So because later when I show you the slide, this slide also doesn't come from me. The slides, the notes, the set all comes from ATA Tuition, right? These are not my notes. As mentioned to you, I am the teacher here to explain any doubts that you have. If you have done your work beforehand, you have any queries, you can ask. If not, you just listen in, okay, to learn more things. If you've not done it, it's okay. I understand if let's say you are busy because it's online, right? So you're busy, etc. You can always download. There is you can download, you can print, all right, the notes, and then you can annotate as I do with you. If let's say all else fail, it's okay. You don't have printer, you can't download. It's okay, no problem. I told you before, you have A5 exercise book, right? So you have an A5 exercise book. You just write in. You just write the good words, etc. that we learn here. Idioms. We always learn idioms every time when you meet, right? Vocabulary and all that. So just take note about this. Is that okay, Kian Ho? Okay, wait. I write down. Hi, Kian Ho. I'm writing down your name. Later, then I will mark. Okay, so this is what you saw just now. It's smaller version because some of you're looking at your handphone. I know some people learn online and then use handphone to see. So it's very, very, very small. That's why I open it up for you. All right. Now you got your idea already. Then we can look at the slides. It's easier like that. Okay. Who is the standard first aid and AED awareness course meant for? Right. So is it meant for children under 12? Just now they already say 14 and above, right? Yeah, remember? Families with pets, tourists who are visiting Singapore, Singapore citizens or PRs years old, 14 PRs, 14 years old and above. We saw just now, right? Yeah. Let me just get out from here. Okay. Let me go back here. Okay. So the answer is here. Let me just annotate. Okay. For those people who have done, so you know where I'm annotating. This one, number 1. Correct? So this is what you do in your exam. For your exam, for your PSLE, right? Get that ready, number 1, because the question is from number 1. So where is my answer? This is my answer. Okay, answer is D. All right. So if you got number D, if you got D as an answer, tick. All right. Okay, I go on to the next one. Again, this thing here, but it's a bit too small, so I'm going to look at the bigger one. Let's look at the question. What is the purpose of the QR code? Just now we already mentioned, right? What's the purpose? It is to allow users to register for the standard first aid and AED awareness course. Sorry, yeah. I'm not well. Sorry about that. My voice breaks. Okay, that the other day it just broke, and then suddenly like no voice in the middle. Oh my God! So I hope nothing like that happens. B, it is meant to make the poster more interesting. It is for people who cannot understand English. It is to make the poster seem modern, right? So what will be our answer? QR code. So we look at the QR code here. As you can see, the QR code here, right? It's already mentioned registration link. So there's only one answer there, correct? And the answer will be here, A. So you got A, then good. This is your answer. All right. So I just point to you where you can get the answer. All right. Okay, the next one is this again. Which one of the following statements about standard first aid and AED true? Which one is true? The course has an unlimited number of spaces. Each session of course is only 2 hours long. To attend the course, participants must pay $100. The course is fully subsidized. We go back here. What do you think about the course? Yeah? Correct? Right? Fully subsidized course. So that's point number 3. Yeah. So answer is D. Okay. I pointed to you the answer already. It's all there. Okay, next. Next question. Adam wants to find out about the standard first aid and AED awareness course. What can he do to get more information? What can you do? Approach CC staff, email to course organizers, can ask his friends, he can ask the police. This one is definitely not. This one, no. Because we're finding information from the text, right? So what can we do? We go back here. Yeah. For more information, it's clearly stated here also, right? I highlight. Stated very clearly to you guys. For more information, this is number 4. Please approach our CC staff for volunteers. All right. So your answer is A. Okay. So far, I hope you can get all correct. Those people who did this, I hope you can get all correct. So far, there are 4 questions, there are 8 questions, right? We are only at number 4. Okay, next one. We go on to the next question. Again, this standard first aid and AED awareness course will be held at where? East Coast Park, Nee Soon East Community Club and Auditorium, conference room in a hospital, a classroom at Nee Soon East Community Club. So let's check it out. Again, we go back here because this is bigger, right? Where is the location? Because they're talking about venue, right? The venue, correct? So that's your venue. Okay. Where is there? It's very straightforward. Okay. We go back here. D is your answer. D. A classroom at Nee Soon East Community Club. Okay. Next one here again. So let's move on. What is the point of learning first aid? What's the point? Show off your skill to your friends. Prepare yourself to help others, people in case of emergencies, to get a certificate, to support Nee Soon East Community Club. This answer is inferential, right? It's inferential, right? Sort of you have some background knowledge. Why you take this course is because emergencies are, right? Won't it be in case of emergencies? I told you just now, right? So anything happen, you are there. People choking, you can help out. People suddenly having a heart attack, actually, you can also help. If, let's say, can find the AED box, right, at void decks. Yeah. Yeah, that's when you can help people. Okay. Next one. 4 sessions will each take place on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday, Thursday. So we go back here. You look at that. It's actually on Sunday. Okay. It's stated there very clearly. It's Sunday. Let's go. I hope you got C as your answer. Correct? Next. Carol is only free on weekends in December. On which date should she attend the standard first aid and AED course? So December. So you know this is out September, October, November, and then this is December. So it's very clear-cut answer, right? So the clear-cut answer, if you go back here, is 29/12. All right. So we go back here. Your answer is this. Is it okay? Yeah. So now I'm going into the slideshow. From current slide, right? I'm going back up. Okay, just to take note of the answers. All right. So who is it for? 14 years and above, D. Okay. Went through that already. Then number 2, what is the purpose? Allowed to register. QR code is meant for registration, right? Then number 3, which one is true? The course is fully subsidized. Already mentioned, I already shown you where to get the answer. Okay, if you got it wrong, then you know why now. Next, Adam wants to find out about standard first aid and AED awareness course. What can he do to get more info? So to get more info is to approach CC staff, already mentioned to you just now. It's all in the passage, right? Next one will be held at, right? Shown to you already. 03, I think they put on a venue, right? .. hex 03-05.